Hi, it's Lori from Coast to Coast Craft Girls, coming to you from the West Coast. Today I wanted to share a really simple, quick card that goes together really fun. It's really just kind of a fun background technique. And then I did some triple embossing, heat embossing on my hello, which gives it a nice, almost enameled look, which is really fun. But it goes together super quick. So let me show you how it's made. So for this card, I used the Alta New Mini Delight Winsome Blooms set. It's a little floral with a die. And I took just the floral die, the outline floral die. And I took, it's a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card. So I took a piece of just scrap cardstock that's slightly larger than 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I just kind of randomly cut that die in kind of different shapes, off the edges and whatever, sort of tighter at the top, looser at the bottom. And I'm going to use that as a stencil to ink through onto my piece of white card. Okay, so it's going to go like that, and I'm going to stencil down with kind of an ombre color. So I'm going to get my sticky mat out because it'll hold my card and it'll hold my sort of homemade stencil. And I'm just gonna line it up at the top and then press it down around the edges, which is why I cut it a little bit larger. And now I'm gonna ink through that, and then I'll stamp and heat emboss after I ink. So I'm gonna start with blush at the very top. And you wanna think about that first color coming down, you know, about 25% of the way, but I'm going to go a little bit further than that so that I can overlap my colors. Now when I peel that sort of homemade stencil back, we've got this nice sort of ombre pattern. And I gotta be careful because I've got to get these flowers that are off the edge too. So now I'm gonna take my stamp set, and I'm not gonna use my outline stamp. I'm gonna use the inner detail stamp. And I've got my piece of cardstock, extra cardstock here, and I've got my gold embossing powder all ready. I'm going to use my Versamark ink. There's my nice background. Now I do think I want to fill in a little bit here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little leaves, and I'm just going to stamp some little leaves in a nice soft green. I'm just going to use pistachio because I want it to be a really soft color. Now I've got a card base that I'm going to put this on. So I think I'm going to mat this just on this bright green. It's about the same color as the green in the leaves, but it's also a shiny color, which I like because it kind of goes with the gold. And it's just going to give me that nice background. So we're going to layer this up. And I've got my nice pretty background. Going to go on there. Then I cut a little sentiment hello, and I've got a strip of vellum that I'm going to put across just for a little added interest. I'm going to show you a little bit different technique. I'm going to heat emboss this whole thing in gold, and I'm going to do a double emboss. So I'm going to take my first, so this is just a cardstock. It's like 3 layers of cardstock. Well, it's actually a layer of cardstock and 2 layers of cardboard, to kind of create almost like a chipboard sentiment. And I'm going to take that entire thing and I'm just going to push it into my Versamark ink. So I get Versamark ink over the entire piece of card. Now I'm going to take my gold embossing powder and get my tweezers up. And I'm going to heat that up. While it's still hot, you take it and you just dip it right back in to that gold embossing powder. You got to be quick. That was better that time. And it just creates this really shiny, almost enameled effect. So I'm going to start with my vellum, and I'm just going to take that, and it's just a strip of vellum that I tore on each side because I like the looks of the torn edges. And I'm going to put that on my card and wrap it around. And we're all done. Really fun card. Fairly simple background. And the stamping, you don't really have to get the detailed stamps right. It's just a little bit of detail inside of those colors. And then I do like the addition of the leaves. I think that adds. And then just a little bit of matting and torn strip of vellum and a triple embossed hello sentiment. Thanks for watching.